Hello guys, welcome to my n8n video series. So in this video, we will be building an AI agent that can send an email through chat. So I'll just give you a demo without much delay. So I'll ask my AI agent to send an email to myself, asking if I'm doing well. Hello, can you send an email to my email ID asking if she is doing good? Yeah. And then the AI is executing something, the agent, and then, yeah, I received a notification. So let's check what I have received. Yeah, if I check the Gmail, yeah, one email I got. Hi, Michaela. I hope this message finds you well. I just wanted to check in and see if you're doing good. So, best regards, your name. Yeah, this is something that we are going to build, and we will change something like in the email that you have seen, it is your best regards, your name, right? We can change that. All those things will be covered later in this video. So without getting started to the step-by-step implementation from scratch, let me just give you an overview of what we are going to do. So basically, what is an AI agent? Something that can do all our tasks just like a worker. So what is the difference between ChatGPT and AI agent? ChatGPT is like something that can help in our work, but I have to do the work and it can help me. But an AI agent itself act like a worker. So this is a simple definition or something that we can understand very simply or very basically. And usually for an AI agent, it needs a trigger. So in our workflow, we can see this when chat message received is a trigger. In some other workflows, maybe for you can actually create a trigger by sending a WhatsApp message or sending a Telegram message. All those things can act as a trigger. So in our case, we'll be sending a chat message in this through this console itself, and then the message that we have received will be passed on to this AI agent. So the AI agent itself is connected to a model, a memory, and a tool. So a model, we have used an OpenAI chat model, and for memory, it's already available. A simple memory that is already available. When we do from scratch, I'll show you how to select all these things, and then a tool which is a email. So you can actually shift all these things. Like for example, instead of giving a trigger through chat message, you can actually trigger it from your WhatsApp or your Telegram. Also, instead of using the email, you can actually trigger it to an Outlook. You can actually trigger. You can actually send email to something else. So all those things are customizable. Yeah, and there are also other possibilities that we can build on top of this. So let's get started. After building the basic thing, after I show you how to do all this basic setup, I'll just give you some more ideas that you yourself can try it out. So let's get started. So we'll create a new workflow. We can save this. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, leave without saving. Let's skip it without saving. Yeah. Here we have an option called create workflow. We can tap on that button and it opens a interface just like this. So here to do the first step. Just like as I said before, the first step will be a trigger. In our case, it will be a chat message received. So, and it will be given to an AI agent. So in the first step, we can select AI agent, because if we select an AI agent, it will come up with a chat message received trigger. So we can directly select an AI agent and then we got this. Yes. Yeah. So this is what we have now. So we have a trigger and an AI agent. So can we just try sending a message to this AI agent? Let's say hello. When I say hello, it says a problem in Node AI agent. A chat model subnode must be connected and enabled, which means as of now, we have just laid the basic setup, that is a trigger and an AI agent. So what we will do is, we'll connect this AI agent to a model. So the model option is here. And when you click on the plus icon, we can select a model. So in our case, we can see a lot of models listed here. So we'll select the OpenAI chat model. For the OpenAI chat model, I'll be using free OpenAI API credits that is available uh, within n8n. And if you can also select, you can also give the API key from your OpenAI account if you have. But for now, I'll be using this free API credits that is available. And then we can select a model. So the model can be anything from these options. And then for now, I'll be selecting GPT 4.1 mini model. And then we'll just go back to our canvas, and now can we try executing the step? We'll just say hello. In this case, it says node executed successfully. So it says human hello, and the chat GPT, the model, the AI agent asks, hello, how can I assist you today? Now, up to this feels like a chat GPT, right? Asking and it is giving you a response. So I'll do one thing. I'll say, hey, my name is Nikhil. I just said my name is Miguel. Said okay, hey, my name is Miguel, and it said hi Miguel, how can I assist you today? Then I'll ask it, okay, what is my name? Let's see if it remembers. It says I don't know your name since you haven't shared it with me. If you like, you can tell me. Why? Why this? I have just given my name and asked what is my name. It says I don't remember, I don't know you. Which means this AI agent is using a model but is not yet connected to a memory. So the next step we have to do is to connect it with the memory. So for the memory, there's a lot of options available, but then we can select the simple memory. Yeah, simple memory, and in here we can see context window length is 5, which means it can store or it can keep the memory of the previous 5 instructions or the previous 5 chat that we have given. So yeah, then now we are good with the memory. So yeah, now I can ask, what's my name? We can, hey, I'm Mikhail. We can again execute this, giving a trigger, and it might have saved it in something in its memory. And I'll ask, what is my name? Let's see, your name is Mikhail. How can I help you further? It asked. So which means now our AI agent is connected to a model, OpenAI model, and now it has a simple memory connected to it. Now the next step is to connect it with the tool. So I'll select Gmail. Just like I said, I'll be sending an email to my Gmail account. So you'll select Gmail tool. There are a lot of other options also available. So here we need to connect with a credential. So I have already connected my Gmail account. So when you are trying, if there is an option without this and create new credential, you can actually click and create new credential. Either you can sign in with Google, or if it is asking for you for some client ID or secret ID, you can just open the docs. And in docs, it explains how to get a client ID, secret ID, and all those things. So you can directly follow the steps, and then you will get the you will have the client ID, secret ID, and then you can paste it, and then you will be good to go. So in my case, it's already connected. So I'll just close, and so I'll select the already connected Gmail account, and then tool description set automatically, operation will be sent. And two, here either I can give my email, but that won't be good, right? In the sense, it will be like hard coded. Instead of that, I will select expression. So expression is actually a good feature. So inside the two curly braces, I'll I'll ask for a function from from AI from AI. Yeah. So if I select from AI, it will ask for a placeholder, a key value pair. So I'll give my key will be, so this is 2. So I'll say just either a email address or a email recipient. For simplicity or for understanding, let us give email recipient. Email recipient. So our 2 is set. Similarly, subject. For subject, we'll say, yeah, we'll select the expression. Instead of fixed, we'll be selecting the expression from AI. Then email body. Let it be email body. Yeah. And the email type, let us keep it as text instead of sending an HTML. Yes, so this is our base setup, and add option we can select this toggle as false. Why? Because or else it will give a sentence like it is from n8n or something like that. So just keep it as false. We need not append an n8n attribution with the email. So this is how it will be like. So we'll just go back to our canvas. Let us just rename the tool. Send a message in Gmail to, for simplicity, email send email. Yeah, so we can actually rename our tool the the node names. Also, all these things are called nodes. Now let us try executing the same. Let's ask, hey, can you send an email to my email address asking if she's good? So the steps are being executed, and then it says node executed successfully. And let's see if I have received an email. If I refresh, yes. So it says, hi, I just wanted to check in and see if you're doing good. Please let me know if you're, all those things are, it came with the subject, right? So I think something we have missed it. Let's see in open resource operation. Oh, in the subject we have given the email body. So that's something that have, the something that have missed it. So we'll do one thing. It says subject, and then yeah, so then a message here we'll do email body from AI email body. Yeah, text will be text. So yes, so this should be our basic space setup, and then we can again do the same. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it says mail is sent to me. Let's refresh. And yeah, just checking in. How hi, hope you're doing good. Are you good? All those things. So that's how we received. We have set up the base setup for AI agent that can send email by just giving a chat. So that's it. So you can actually connect it with WhatsApp or your Telegram or any other tools that you feel it's very commonly used, or Slack. It can be Slack as well. And then you, instead of Gmail, you can actually send mail to Outlook. And now you can see that I have sent email by asking it to send to this email address and all those things, specifically giving the details. You can actually do another thing is, there is also an option where you can give the email and their name in a doc sheet, and then we can ask AI agent to fetch the mail from the doc sheet. It will fetch the mail from the doc sheet and then send the mail. So all those things are customizable, all those things are doable. So that's it. In this video also, I'll just give you a brief or the thing that what happened here. If we look at it, yeah, if we look at it, what are the steps that really happened? In the memory, it will store the previous five or the few messages or the previous message that we have given, and then it will use the OpenAI chat model, and then it will send an email, and then it uses the chat model to get the mail, the recipient, all those things from the query that the user has given, and then it will again store it to the memory. So this is what it happens, and then what the output is, we have received an email. So this is a beginner friendly video on how you can start off with creating a base setup for an AI agent that can send an email. So that's it. So let's see in the next video. Till then, bye.